In this video, I'm going to show you the best PC cases for 2023. Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. So you're in the market for a new PC case? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 6 picks for the best PC cases of 2023. Whether you're looking for something flashy or something simple, I've had you covered. Stay tuned and I'll be right back with my picks. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. So let's get started with the video. Number 6. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Tempered Glass Window Mid-Tower Computer Case. Meshify 2 Compact Black is an EATX computer case with a flexible, high airflow design and a dark tinted tempered glass window. The case is roomy enough for GPUs up to 360mm, with a 240mm radiator in the top, or up to 360/280mm front radiators with GPUs under 305mm. Install up to 7 120mm or 4 140mm fans for optimal cooling, 1 120mm and 2 140mm dynamic X2 fans included. The open interior layout creates a smooth airflow path from front intake to rear exhaust. Seamlessly integrated TG panel with steel frame support and bolt-free top latching mechanism. The iconic angular mesh front of the Meshify 2 Compact Black provides filtered airflow while maintaining a bold, stealth-inspired aesthetic. The open interior layout creates a smooth airflow path from front intake to rear exhaust. The Meshify 2 Compact Black has room for GPUs up to 360mm with a 240mm radiator in the top, or up to 360/280mm front radiators, with GPUs under 305mm. The open interior layout creates a smooth airflow path from front intake to rear exhaust. The Meshify 2 Compact Black can accommodate up to 7 120mm or 4 140mm fans for optimal cooling. The case comes with 1 120mm and 2 140mm dynamic X2 fans included. The Meshify 2 Compact Black's versatile and space-efficient E-ATX form factor design offers the performance and capacity of much larger cases. The open interior layout creates a smooth airflow path from front intake to rear exhaust. The Meshify 2 Compact Black's open interior layout creates a smooth airflow path from front intake to rear exhaust. This helps to ensure optimal cooling for your components. The Meshify 2 Compact Black features a seamlessly integrated TG panel with steel frame support and bolt-free top latching mechanism. This allows for easy access to your components while ensuring that they are securely protected. Number 5. Corsair iCUE 5000T. The Corsair iCUE 5000T RGB Mid-Tower EATX PC case is a unique and stylish case that is lit by 208 individually addressable RGB LEDs. It offers a clean design and builder-friendly features that make it a great choice for any PC builder. The included iCUE Commander Core XT lighting and fan speed controller makes it easy to control the RGB lighting and fans with powerful iCUE software. The case also includes 3 Corsair LL120 RGB fans with 16 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan for great airflow and lighting. The Corsair iCUE 5000T PC case is a great choice for anyone looking for a unique and stylish case with plenty of RGB lighting. The case is lit by 208 individually addressable RGB LEDs, which can be controlled using the included iCUE Commander Core XT lighting and fan speed controller. The controller makes it easy to customize the RGB lighting effects and synchronize them with other Corsair iCUE RGB products. The case also includes 3 Corsair LL120 RGB fans with 16 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan, providing excellent airflow and high-impact lighting. The Corsair iCUE PC case includes 160 RGB LEDs that are integrated into the front, roof, and floor panels. These LEDs can be customized using the included iCUE Commander Core XT lighting and fan speed controller, allowing you to create unique lighting effects that are sure to impress. In addition, the case includes 3 Corsair LL120 RGB fans with 16 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan, providing excellent airflow and high-impact lighting. The Corsair iCUE 5000T RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case features a distinctive design that is sure to turn heads. The contours and angular accents offer a unique look that is unlike any other case on the market. The included iCUE Commander Core XT lighting and fan speed controller makes it easy to control the RGB lighting and fans, allowing you to create a one-of-a-kind look for your PC. Number 4. Cooler Master Cosmos C700M E-ATX Full Tower. Cooler Master's Cosmos C700M is a full tower case that supports E-ATX motherboards. It has a curved tempered glass panel and an extensive cable cover system. The case also has a versatile liquid cooling layout and RGB lighting control. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700M offers a highly versatile layout with support for graphics cards, riser cables, and diverse liquid cooling options. It also features a stylish design with a tempered glass panel and RGB lighting control. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700M is the perfect case for gamers and enthusiasts who want the ultimate in versatility and style. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700M offers a highly versatile layout that supports a wide range of hardware configurations. The case can accommodate E-ATX motherboards, graphics cards, riser cables, and diverse liquid cooling options. The case also features a stylish design with a tempered glass panel and RGB lighting control. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700M is the perfect case for gamers and enthusiasts who want the ultimate in versatility and style. The Cooler Master C700M supports graphics cards up to 400mm in length. The case also includes a riser cable that allows you to mount your graphics card in a vertical orientation. This provides better airflow to your graphics card and helps improve cooling performance. This PC features RGB lighting control that allows you to customize the look of your case. The case also includes 8 expansion slots that support a variety of hardware configurations. Number 3. Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The Corsair 4000 is a top-of-the-line PC case that offers excellent features and build quality. Its innovative cable management system, concentrated airflow, and ample space for all your components make it the perfect choice for high-performance PCs. Additionally, its front I/O panel includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and a combination audio/microphone jack, making it easy to connect all your modern devices. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Corsair 4000D is the PC case for you. The Corsair 4000D features an innovative cable management system that makes it easy to route your cables through a single channel. Additionally, the case includes 2 Corsair 120mm air glide fans that utilize anti-vortex fans to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Finally, the case is made from high-quality materials and construction, making it a great choice for those looking to build a high-performance PC. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it easy to route your cables through a single channel. This system is simple and fast to use, and provides ample space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Additionally, the Rapid Route system makes it easy to keep your cables organized and tidy, giving you a clean and professional-looking build. The Corsair 4000D includes 2 Corsair 120mm air glide fans. These fans utilize anti-vortex fans to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. This helps to ensure that your components stays cool, even when under heavy load. Additionally, the air glide fans are designed to be quiet, so you can enjoy your PC without being bothered by noisy fans. Number 2. Thermaltake View 51. The Thermaltake View 51 Snow is a top-of-the-line gaming computer case that comes packed with features to help you take your gaming setup to the next level. This includes 2 200mm RGB fans for spectacular lighting effects, as well as a 140mm rear fan for optimal cooling performance. The View 51 Snow also boasts a patented rotational PCI E8 slots design, which allows you to display your graphic cards vertically or horizontally. In addition, the View 51 Snow comes with plenty of space for PSU placement and cable management. With its outstanding expansion and top-of-the-line features, The Thermaltake View 51 Snow is the perfect choice for gamers who want the best of the best. The Thermaltake View 51 Snow comes with two pre-installed 200mm 5V motherboard sync ARGB fans, plus an ARGB light bar at the front panel. This allows you to create spectacular lighting effects that are synchronized with your Asus Gigabyte MSI or ASRock motherboard. The 5V addressable RGB header makes it easy to control the lighting effects, and the 27 LED modes give you plenty of options for customization. The View 51 Snow's patented rotational PCIe 8 slots design lets you choose how you want to display your graphic cards. You can opt for a vertical or horizontal orientation, depending on your preference. This is a great feature for gamers who want maximum flexibility and customization when it comes to their gaming setup. The View 51 Snow's smart space design provides a neat area for PSU placement and cable management. This is a great feature for gamers who want to keep their gaming setup looking clean and organized. The View 51 Snow's smart space design ensures that your gaming setup will always look its best. Number 1. Fractal Design Torrent White E. Fractal Design's new Torrent White E-ATX tempered glass window high airflow mid-tower computer case is optimized for maximum air intake with its open grille and 180mm front fans. The newly developed 180x 38mm Dynamic X2POM or Prisma ALPOM ARGB fans in the RGB version provide power, size, and thickness for massive air-moving capacity. The case includes 5 POM fans, 3 140mm, and 2 180mm, for balancing performance, cooling, and noise. The new layout with expansive base intakes and extra-large bottom fan support offers exceptional GPU cooling. Optional front and bottom nylon filters are included, allowing the user to prioritize between dust filtering or even higher airflow. The streamlined open interior provides plenty of breathing room for components and maximizes performance potential for both air and water cooling. The open grille and 180mm front fans of the Torrent White E-ATX tempered glass window high airflow mid-tower computer case are designed for maximum air intake. The newly developed 180x 38mm Dynamic X2POM or Prisma ALPOM ARGB fans in the RGB version provide power, size, and thickness for massive air-moving capacity. The case includes 5 POM fans, 3 140mm, and 2 180mm, for balancing performance, cooling, and noise. The new layout of the Torrent White E-ATX tempered glass window high airflow mid-tower computer case offers expansive base intakes and extra-large bottom fan support for exceptional GPU cooling. Optional front and bottom nylon filters are included, allowing the user to prioritize between dust filtering or even higher airflow. The streamlined open interior provides plenty of breathing room for components and maximizes performance potential for both air and water cooling.